Good morning, everybody. You know, you look down here. Good morning, everybody. So it has been a long time since I've done any kind of like vlogs or anything like that, but we are taking a little trip today. We're going to go to a nature reserve and take care of some elephants for a little while. So we're super excited and decided we would take you guys along with us. So yeah, it's early and we're heading out and it's hot already. So
it's 8. It's not that early.
On a Saturday when you don't have to be up, it's early.
Girl, I have to get up on a Saturday.
I usually have to work Saturdays too, but anywho. But anyway, that's where we're going. It's a couple hours away, so we're gonna get some drinks and yeah, we'll head out. So we'll meet you guys back up when we probably get there because I'm not trying to film while I'm driving. So anyway, we'll see you then. We made it here. It wasn't a long drive, but we're not used to being in a car like that. So it's like 2 hours, but it's a beautiful drive. I'll insert some footage of some of the drive. If I haven't already, I'll insert that so you guys can see. But we're here, so the gates are not opened yet. The gates are, you know, back that way. But we'll obviously, you know, get footage of the area and stuff. But it's really, really pretty out here. It's Texas. It's a little brown, a little dry.
We've been having a dry season lately, so.
But it is still real pretty out here. It's like there's nothing out here, like, so I can see why they would be out here with this kind of preserve. But anyway, we'll see y'all in a little. We gotta both. Well, I gotta pee really, really bad.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Pop a squat in the back seat.
Anyway, we'll get you guys when we are able to go in.
And walking over the hill like that. Now don't get too excited, they will be joining us in just a moment. But as they're walking, notice how they're walking. You see how they're holding trunk to tail like that? In fact, that a lot today. Big animals need a lot of exercise to make sure that they stay healthy. So we build this into their regular routine here. This morning we're starting off with a nice little stroll, maybe a bit of a cardio workout, if you will. As they get closer, you'll begin to notice some of the differences between them that I mentioned. Do you see this third elephant back in line? She's pretty distinct, even at this distance, isn't she? Her name is Ty, and you will be able to tell Ty apart by that gorgeous peachy pink coloring that she has on her face. This coloring is a characteristic that is specific to Asian elephants. It's due to a lack of pigmentation in the skin, which is perfectly normal and natural. You'll see all 5 of the elephants have some variation of that. Ty just really stands out with that bright, pretty face. Now while we're talking about Ty, you will also see that on her front left foot, she wears an orthotic or a prosthetic. This is because Ty has one leg that is just a little bit shorter than the rest of them. So we have developed this orthotic to help keep Ty walking smoothly and comfortably. It's something that we developed specifically for Ty, but we have shared our research with veterinarians and elephant managers to help elephants all around the world who may have similar things going on. Now folks, we have about 20 tons of bodacious beauty joining us. Oh, well, hello, ladies. Okay, now back to help make sure that they stay fit and healthy. Now we're going to get to know everybody on a bit more of an individual level. We are going to start with the beautiful Kitty. Kitty is 53 years old. Now Ty really does know how to get the party started in here. She enjoys playing the drums in her free time. She's so kindly demonstrating for us. Very nice. Oh, listen, did you hear that? That real low sound that she just made? You can almost feel it in your chest there. That is known as infrasound. 6 years. And Becky is known for having really great hair everywhere. Today we see she's rocking the bangs. Very nice look for her.
Something good? You get something good. You folks can help us out by giving these ladies a round of applause whenever you say something great. There it is. Girl. Okay. There is no way for us to do that with y'all here. So everything from picking up a foot to lowering your head, maneuvering their bodies in different positions and ways so that we have access to all of their pieces and parts. These are all things that are going to be critical in making sure that we're able to provide the best possible care for these ladies. A big part of our daily care routine.
See this? There we go. So that cushion sits on the bottom and the toe bones sit right on top. They're supported by that cushion. When an elephant steps their foot down, it expands. When they pick their foot up, it contracts. And it acts as a giant shock absorber as the elephant is walking.
There they go.
Okay, go ahead.
She happy? Like this is Texas.
You want to go look at the big pot over there?
Yeah, this place is massive. I would be in love right now too. Her and you would be in here. You guys would be here for days. Look at all this stuff. Auction. It's got baby rattlers in there. Look at all this stuff. I'd like to get a fountain like that at the house. And Sons. Wow, this place is crazy. Chairs. Oh my god, how funny. Oh, look at the women's butt one. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Just stuff everywhere. What she got?
Yeah.
She got the bowl. She grows succulent cactus.
Yes. For my
Very-
little propagations, that's the right word. I can't think of it right now.
Very nice. All hand painted and handmade from Mexico, because we're right next to Mexico. So yeah, pottery and elephants.
That's my shit right there.
All
If you ever
day,
want to like
every day.
just anything with animals, plants, pots and shit, hit me up.